She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another March Madness blend. And happy St. Patrick's Day. So because today is St. Patrick's Day, I'm giving you guys a green blend. This blend request is coming from Tokyo Madness, who wanted to see black and green blended together. So today I'm switching it up a little bit. You guys are probably wondering why I was showing the scissors earlier. I'm going to show you how to do a custom ombre look. So for this green, we are using the color neon green, and then you can use whatever black you want to use, whether it's 1B, 2, whatever black fits best for you. So when doing a ombre or a DIY ombre, you want to make sure that your ombre color is longer than the root color. So for this one, I want it to be majority green, so the ombre color will be the green. I want the green to be at the bottom and to show the most, and the root color will be the black. So what I'm going to do, as you see here, the hairs are, both hairs already pre-stretched, and they're pretty much the same length. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that black hair, and I'm going to cut it a little bit shorter than where I really want it to stop, because after I cut it, I'm going to go back and I'm going to stretch out that hair, so it's going to be a little longer than where I actually cut it. Now I'm showing you guys this in situations where you want to do an ombre effect, but your pre-stretched hair comes already the same length, all the same length. So understand that you can still cut your hair and pretty much re-stretch out that hair that you need to. So yeah, I'm just showing the different ways that you can play around with these blends. If you want to see how to stretch out braiding hair, I do have a separate video. I will link that in the description below. Oh, and then also, you guys can ignore all the writing on my arms. My two little girls, I let them have a little fun, and they call themselves giving me some tattoos. And apparently I completely forgot and started recording this video. So I feel like I've had so many instances where I've had things on my arms for my little girls, whether it's paint or pen markings. But anyway, so back to the blend. So once you cut the hair, you just want to go ahead and stretch it out. You don't need to stretch it out a lot. But one thing to pay attention to when you're doing these blends with the hair being much shorter is just making sure that you are holding on to the hair correctly. You just don't want the shorter hair to fall out a lot, because it's already short, so it could be easier to fall out. So when you are brushing, just make sure that you are wrapping it around your finger and holding it, having a secure grip on it, so that black hair does not fall out. Now later on, I'm going to add a little bit more black to the blend because I wanted it to have more of a darker root color. Somebody had also requested a root color blend, so this would be an example of that. I guess I'm not going to do a separate video. So here you go. This would be how you do a root color blend. Now, of course, you can do more natural colors like a brown, you know, that'll be more not as bright. This is how you would do a root color if you're doing a blend. The root is not going to be a solid color, so understand that. So yeah, I'm going to allow you guys to watch the rest of this video, and you guys will see what the blend looks like as a braid as well as a twist at the very end. So make sure to stick around until the end so you can see that. And I hope you guys be blessed, stay safe, stay filled with love and peace, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow in my next hair blend. Bye.